Welcome to the Service Pro 911 tutorial space. Unlock the power of reporting. In this tutorial, we'll explore the powerful reporting capabilities of the Service Pro 911 app. Let's begin with the invoice report. Easily navigate through invoice reports by sorting them based on various criteria such as status, payment type, days, and specific employees. Now, let's explore the estimate report. Dive into the estimate report feature, where you can efficiently manage and sort estimates based on different parameters like status, days, and assigned employees. Understanding these reporting tools enhances your ability to streamline your service business using Service Pro 911. Empower your service business with Service Pro 911 reports. Make informed decisions, optimize operations, and thrive in your industry. If you have questions or need assistance, our dedicated customer support team is here to help. Thank you for choosing Service Pro 911, and we wish you unparalleled success in your service ventures.